You searched how to buy shares of biote Corp. biote Corp is a biotechnology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BTMD. This quick guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro here as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with a form of ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BTMD to locate biote Corp. Choose the matching NASDAQ listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to check recent movements. Confirm the name, NASDAQ exchange, and BTMD ticker match the company you intend to buy. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio showing holdings and current value. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.